Hi, welcome to Saraswat Hospital.
In today's video, we welcome the Australian cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Mike Gandy, as a hair transplant patient. His surgery was a mega hair transplant with 3,000 grafts. This means 6,000 individual hairs were used to restructure his hairline. From his before and after pictures, you can see the scale of the procedure. Let's hear from Mr. Gandy himself what he had to say about his experience at Saraswat Hospital.
Well, hello everybody. So today we will be talking about my journey with hair transplant. That's not an accident. I just had my hair transplant myself today. It's two parts about hair transplant. One is my journey as a physician, as a cosmetic physician, and why I started training and learning about hair transplant. And the second part is about myself getting hair transplant. So I did always was self-conscious about, I'm self-aware about my hair, and it's been thinning over the years. And when I saw the results of the patients here, it's amazing results. So I decided to have it done. I spoke to Dr. Satya and he fit me in, and I had it today. We started at 5:30 in the morning. And we just finished around 12. The procedure, I would say, painless. So from 0 to 10 scale of pain, 1 or 2. I tolerated very well. The density in my hair looking great. And the next step is really all based and dependent on myself of the aftercare. And being a cosmetic physician doing a hair transplant, it's good to do the journey as well and to know and have it yourself, so you know what you need to do pre-op, during the theater, what's happening, and then of course post-op, and how important that. So I highly recommend, if you are a patient, to come and have your hair transplant here if you are in India or you are overseas. And I highly recommend, if you are a physician who is interested in cosmetics and skin and hair transplant, this is the place to be. Thank you.
Dr. Gandy also undertook our hands-on hair transplant training course. To hear his insights about that experience, press on the linked video. Thank you for watching, and for more content about the amazing work we do here at Saraswat Hospital, please like and subscribe to the channel.